A lot of your black audience has been a little bit critical in the last year about your singing songs that were less in the soul tradition or in the gospel tradition, that you went a little too far to the pop side. How do you feel about that kind of criticism?
I don't know. What do they want? What do they want me to do? I think music is music, you know? I mean, how do I sing more black, or how do I sing, what am I doing that's making me sound white? I don't understand, you know? I'm singing music from my heart, from my soul, and that's it.